Most people believe rich people simply earn more money. But the truth is far more complicated than that. The biggest difference between wealthy people and everyone else is not just income. It's psychology. The average person works for money their entire life. But many wealthy people think differently from the beginning. They focus on ownership, systems, and long-term control instead of short-term rewards. While most people spend money to impress others, rich people often spend money to buy time, assets, and opportunities. That changes everything. Many self-made millionaires became obsessed with delayed gratification. They were willing to look unsuccessful for years while quietly building businesses, investments, and skills behind the scenes. Most people chase comfort. Wealthy people often chase leverage. They understand that one smart decision can eventually become more powerful than years of hard work. This mindset appears again and again in the stories of successful entrepreneurs, investors, and business leaders around the world. They think differently about risk, differently about time, differently about failure. Average people usually avoid failure because it feels painful. But many successful people treat failure as information. Every mistake becomes part of a larger strategy. Another major difference is focus. Modern society constantly distracts people with entertainment, trends, and endless scrolling. But many wealthy individuals protect their attention carefully because they know attention is one of the most valuable resources in the modern world. Some experts even believe the real currency of the future is no longer money, it's attention. And the people who control their attention often gain a massive advantage over everyone else. Rich people also tend to understand something most people ignore. Status can be fake, true wealth is often invisible. Many financially successful people avoid showing their real assets publicly. Instead of spending everything on appearances, they focus on ownership behind the scenes. Businesses, stocks, real estate, technology, systems generating income even while they sleep. And perhaps the most powerful difference of all is how they think about time. Most people trade time for money. But wealthy people spend years building systems where money eventually works for them. Because in the end, the richest people are not simply working harder, they are thinking differently.